Hi everyone. I hope you're doing amazing today. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Myra, and I love sharing honest skincare reviews so you can make the best choices for your skin. Today we're talking about a product that's been getting a lot of attention lately, the Gluta Max Whitening Cream. I've been using it for a while now, and I'm going to give you my honest opinion. No filters, no sugarcoating. So let's dive in. GlutaMAX is a skincare brand known for creating products aimed at improving skin tone, reducing dark spots, and giving you that radiant glow. The whitening cream is one of their most popular items, especially among people looking for brighter, more even-toned skin. It's marketed as a daily-use cream that works on pigmentation, acne marks, and dullness, while also keeping your skin hydrated. But the big question is, does it actually work? Let's break it down. Key ingredients and how they work. One of the main active ingredients in Gluta Max Whitening Cream is glutathione. Glutathione is a powerful antioxidant that's known for its skin brightening properties. It works by reducing melanin production, which in turn helps fade dark spots and uneven skin tone. The cream also contains vitamin C, another skin-loving ingredient that fights free radicals, boosts collagen production, and enhances brightness. Another key ingredient is niacinamide. This is great for improving skin texture, reducing redness, and strengthening your skin barrier. Plus, there are moisturizing agents like aloe vera extract and glycerin to keep your skin soft and hydrated throughout the day. It's a nice mix of brightening, protecting, and moisturizing ingredients all in one formula. Texture, scent, and application. The texture of this cream is light and non-greasy, which I love because it doesn't leave that heavy, sticky feeling on the skin. It blends in quite easily and doesn't leave a white cast, making it perfect for daytime use under makeup or sunscreen. The scent is mild, not too overpowering, so it shouldn't bother sensitive noses. For best results, the brand recommends applying it twice a day, once in the morning and once at night, on clean, dry skin. My personal experience: I started using the Gluta Max Whitening Cream around 4 weeks ago, and here's what I noticed. Week 1, my skin felt more hydrated and slightly smoother. No major changes in brightness yet. Week 2, I started noticing that some of my light acne marks were fading, and my overall complexion looked fresher. Week 3, the glow became more visible. My skin tone started looking a bit more even, especially around my cheeks. Week 4, I could see a noticeable improvement in brightness, and some stubborn dark spots had lightened. Now it's important to note, this cream didn't bleach my skin or change my natural tone dramatically. Instead, it helped restore my natural brightness and gave my face a healthier look. I didn't experience any breakouts or irritation, which is a big plus for my sensitive skin. Pros and cons. Pros. Lightweight and non-greasy formula contains proven brightening ingredients like glutathione and vitamin C. Noticeable results in a few weeks with consistent use. Hydrates the skin while improving tone. Works well under makeup. Cons. Results can vary depending on your skin type and how consistent you are. Not an overnight miracle. You have to be patient. Slightly more expensive than some other drugstore whitening creams. Final verdict and call to action. So, is Gluta Max Whitening Cream worth it? If you're looking for a gentle yet effective brightening cream that also hydrates your skin, I'd say yes, it's worth trying. Just remember, skincare is all about consistency and patience. If you've tried this cream before, let me know in the comments how it worked for you. I'd love to hear your experience. And if you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest skincare reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.